Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears giant. First, gather your materials: a bag of gummy bears, a clear container, and plain tap water. You'll want to ensure your container is large enough to hold the expanded gummies without crowding. This fun project demonstrates a basic scientific principle using a popular treat. Get ready to see your small candies transform into impressive, oversized versions. To begin, choose your gummy bears. Any brand works, but different colors can make the experiment more visually appealing. Next, find a suitable container. A clear glass bowl or jar is ideal so you can watch the transformation. Finally, make sure you have access to regular tap water. Avoid distilled water, as it may not yield the same dramatic results due to its lack of dissolved minerals. Carefully arrange your gummy bears in the bottom of your chosen container. Try to spread them out so they aren't directly on top of each other, allowing maximum surface area exposure to the water. Now, slowly pour tap water over them until every gummy bear is completely covered. Let them soak for at least 8 to 12 hours, or even overnight, for the best expansion. You'll notice them growing steadily. After sufficient soaking, your gummy bears will have grown significantly, often reaching 2 to 3 times their original size. Gently remove them from the water. They will be very delicate and squishy. You can compare them to an unsoaked gummy to truly appreciate the change. Remember, their texture will be different, much softer. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video. Enjoy your giant, wobbly treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.